Capture is a tool in Chat Editor that allows you to create visuals of button sequences. These can be helpful visual supports and be helpful to print off as low-tech resources in the classroom or at home. Chat Editor includes vocabularies that are available in Chat, such as LAMP Words for Life, WordPower, Multichat and more. You can download Chat Editor for free and you'll find the link in the description of this video. Here is how you use Capture in Chat Editor in a vocabulary file. In this example, I'm using WordPower 60. With Chat Editor open, press Capture. This brings up a smaller window. If this window is blocking any buttons on the screen, you can press, hold and drag it out of the way. Press the sequence that you want to create a visual of. In this example, I'm going to get the sequence for park.
Park.
You'll see that the button sequence has appeared in this window. You can then press Copy to Clipboard. From here, you can open a Word document and paste the button sequence. You can then return to Chat Editor and repeat the process for any other button sequences that you would like to capture. So I'm also going to capture jump.
Jump.
Copy to clipboard, go to my Word document, paste, go back to Chat Editor, then I'm going to collect up, and down. Now I'm going to clear my home button there because I don't want to capture that.
Down.
Once these are in a Word document, you can move the button sequences around and format them however you like before printing them off or sharing them digitally.